G'day, here's a parcel of small pieces of seam slash knobby, mostly fossil type material. Drills in millimetres and the material's wetted. Okay, I haven't moved anything as yet apart from just the whole tray. You can see that they're mostly small pieces, 10-15 mil probably the biggest. But a lot of it's fossil type material by the looks. Some of it has little bright crystals. Piece like this. Whether this is tree branches or something, hard to tell. Sometimes you get a shell amongst it as well. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.